Hello everybody, Pavel Bostovic here, founder and CEO of 27 North, and I'm super excited to announce today the launch of our all-new floor plan, Venture Together. What's unique about this floor plan is that it features two twin-size like cot style beds. So we extended them 10 inches, so they're 70 inches long on both sides, and we made it 3 inches deeper. So you can now sleep on either side without having to convert it into a bed. Or if you want, these tables swivel around, they drop down, and within 60 seconds, you have a full queen size style like bed. The next thing that's really unique about this floor plan is the bench seat that we added. Traditionally, the bench seat in RVs is fixed. We did one that not only slides and reclines, but is super comfortable. In addition to that, the seat reclines backwards, so if you want, you can pull the lever and recline it. So if you're driving and you want to just recline back and rest, you're able to do that. Another thing that's cool about it is it folds up. So if you wanted to fold this up, you can fold it up against and stow it away. So you can put a big dog bed here. You can pack this area full with the things that you're taking with you on your adventure. So if you're a hiker or a biker, you got a huge amount of space here. Another unique thing is whenever you fold this up out of the way, you can throw down 2 sleeping bags here on the floor and have a really, really comfortable area to sleep on our insulated floors. Thank you so much for following along our journey, for being a big support of the amazing vehicles that we build here, and I look forward to meeting each one of you out in nature.